cumin onion chickpea flour fried fritters, or cumin onion fritters, or fried onion pakoda, or jeera onion pakoda, or jeera paska pakoda. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the onion fried recipes, and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes, and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes, and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes. To make cumin onion chickpea flour fried fritters, or cumin onion fritters, we have taken around 150 grams of onion cut into thin pieces. We've taken around 75 to 80 grams of chickpea flour, salt to taste, 1 spoon of chili powder, around quarter spoon of asafoetida, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. The ingredients: the cumin and the asafoetida and the chili powder. Pour in around 75 ml of water, little by little, and make it into a paste. Put in the onion pieces into the mixture. Mix thoroughly with the chickpea flour mixture. Thoroughly mix. Around 5 to 6 ml of vinegar in the mixture. Mix thoroughly. Now this mixture can be used to make the fritters. Heat the pan and pour in 50 to 60 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Onion chickpea flour mixture into the oil and let it fry. Let it fry in the oil. take off the pan. Plate. The next set. Now, the onion chickpea flour mixture into the oil and let it fry. Turn it over. Keep on frying. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Put in the next set of onion chickpea flour. Mixture and let it fry. Do this until all the fritters have been made with the mixture. And cumin onion chickpea flour fried fritters or cumin onion fritters, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the onion fried recipes and one of the most unique of the fried onion recipes and one of the most delicious of the chickpea recipes and one of the most unique of the garbanzo beans recipes and one of the most delicious of the fritter recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.